Alright, so we're doing a day hike, Katja and me today. We came into an area called Logar Valley. It's about an hour from where Katja lives. And so we're entering the little valley part kind of now. And you can see up top there, we're not very high right now. I think we're about the same elevation as maybe Asheville, North Carolina, about 2,000 feet. How do you zoom in? Okay, I got it. There's a waterfall there in the front. That's going to be our first stop. That's pretty close, I think about 30 minutes or so. And apparently that waterfall is the beginning, the headwaters of one of the main rivers through Slovenia. So anyway, we're going around. You can see the top. And some of those peaks up there get up to about 7,000 feet, I think. Now, we're not going to hit those today. We're not really qualified to go that high. So today we just want to do a day hike, kind of get the feel of everything. Some pretty water down there. Very clear, very, very, very clear water. Hey, Katja, hang on one second. We brought Tora with us. But you can see how clear the water is. She's lucky to enjoying the water. See, the water's almost just transparent. It's pretty, isn't it? White rock. Katja with her hands in there. Cold? No. That's about 300 feet. 300 feet, top to bottom. Alright, you can see Katja's hair blowing in the wind. It's the wind from the waterfall. It's really incredibly intense. You might even be able to hear it. There's actually no wind blowing today. It's just the wind from the waterfall. You can see these little kids going up. You can see their hair blowing too. It's all the wind from the waterfall. So you can see Katja's hair blowing. Tora doesn't like it. It's too intense. It's really, really cool. Very, very wet. Within just a moment or two, you get soaking wet. Yeah, I'll put the camera up. Alright, so anyway, here's that creek, the one with the waterfall. We're down here with we're down below the waterfall, about 200 or 300 yards past the bottom of the waterfall. So we're walking along the water, as you can tell. Of course, I don't know if you can tell from the video we shot a minute ago, there was a lot of water, and now there doesn't seem to be quite as much water all of a sudden. It's very sunny. I hope the camera's getting this. Now you can rock slide, and so now you see the water is disappearing. And that's it. There's no more water. I hope the camera can get this. You can see it's just kind of moist right there. A little bit more water there. A little bit more. And that's the end of it. That's the end of it. It's going below us. So the water has actually gone down through all these. We're in the. And you can see all these rocks here. So the river is actually down below us right now. We're actually standing on top of the river. So it just disappears right here. Here's some snow. You can see snow up there. It's pretty cool. Pretty awesome. And the waterfall is kind of in that direction, not too far away. That's it. The river disappeared. Pretty cool.
I thought there was really more water earlier when you came. Now it's all gone here.
Oh, really?
This is all going to be dry in a minute.
That's kind of weird. Is it disappearing while we're here?
Mm-hmm.
No way.
Yeah, look, there's no water here.
There was water right there, wasn't there? It's disappearing while we're standing here.
It disappeared. Oh, look, there's... This is all gone.
Holy crap, it's going away while we're standing here. That's really weird. So is this water going to go away?
Yeah, you can see it.
Can you hear it?
Mm-hmm.
Wow, do you hear that?
Mm-hmm.
That tore the water. Yeah, it's freaking going away. That's crazy. It's sinking into the, that's kind of weird. Why would it do it while we're here? I mean, it seems like that it'd be pretty, it's kind of weird. I get tore. She's exhausted. Well, that's really weird. I wouldn't expect for it to happen while we're standing here. I guess it, but sure enough, there's no water in that little hole right there. It's gone. Wow. Okay, this is flowing right here. Just, you can actually see here water just flowing, and it just flows to nowhere. It just flows right into the rocks. It just flows to, it literally just flows down into the rocks. Oh yeah, and apparently further down, apparently the water comes back out again. We read a sign. That's how we knew this was going to happen, because while we were at the waterfall, there was a sign that explained that down beyond the base of the waterfall, a few hundred yards, the river would disappear and it'd go underground for several miles, and then it would eventually come back out again.